Hi guys, welcome back to SASTRA Vibes. So many people are confused how to pay the mess fees. So today I will demonstrate how to pay the mess fees. Go to your student web interface and give your registration number, password, enter the captcha and click on login. Then scroll down and you will see there fees due section. So click on the fees due button and there will be two types, SASTRA due and hostel due. Click on hostel due, click the checkbox pay online and then it will ask your net banking details. So give your login ID, click on personal and give your login ID and also login ID password. So click on submit. After submitting, it will ask your transaction password and OTP to your mobile number. Give those details and then your payment is successful. To verify your payment whether it is successful or not, I will show you the process. So close the window, reload the student web interface page. Once you reload it, then go back to fees due section, click on hostel due and click on verification. It will show a pop-up menu that payment successfully received. Click on OK. This is your mess fee payment process. First, you should complete your net banking process in City Union Bank. No other banks are allowed to pay the mess fees. Only City Union Bank is allowed to pay the mess fees. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubts, comment it.